Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your XRP from Robinhood to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your crypto better, this step-by-step process will get you there safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring XRP like a pro. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Binance, and that you have some XRP in your Robinhood wallet. Also, double-check that your Binance account is verified and ready to receive assets. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and select the XRP you own. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer. Click on that. Robinhood might ask for additional verification, so have your ID or security details handy to keep things secure. Step 2. Choose the withdrawal method. For XRP, you'll typically use the XRP Ledger network. Make sure to select this correctly, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Always double-check. Step 3. Enter your Binance wallet address. To get this, log into Binance, go to your wallet, and copy the XRP deposit address. Paste it carefully into Robinhood's withdrawal form. Don't forget to add any required tags or memos if Binance specifies them. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see details like the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. In 2025, expect fees to be around 1 to 5 XRP, depending on network congestion. Hit confirm, and Robinhood will process the withdrawal. Once it's done, head back to Binance and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XRP to show up. Pro tip. Always use a secure connection and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Robinhood to Binance in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.